the Indian markets have been significantly negative for this entire week. Intraday also the markets have been quite volatile. It has been down for about 5 consecutive days. Overall, there isn't much vindication in the markets on the upside. So for this week, it touched a high about 11,041, but it's been significantly going down, touched a low about 10,718 odd levels, while closed the week for about 10,746 odd levels, broken all support levels in terms of the 50-day moving average and a 200-day moving average. For this week, the markets have gone down by about 2.9%, while the global markets were positive and the macros for the Indian markets were also quite positive. CPI inflation has gone down to about 2.05%, but none of this helped the Indian markets. There isn't much conviction or support which is going forward for the Indian markets. So we are having a negative view on this market. For this week, the sectors that didn't do well were PSU banks, which went down by about 6.5%, energy, which was down by about 5.8%. The only sector that was reasonably positive was media, which was up by about 3.6%. On the technical side, the Indian markets, the Nifty has formed a long bearish candlestick pattern on the weekly charts, while on the daily charts, it's formed a hammer pattern as well. The RSI is gone down negative on the weekly charts, gone to about 49 odd levels. There's negative divergence on the charts. The MACD is while still trading above the signal line. So overall, for the coming week, we would recommend you to trade cautiously. We would recommend you to exit on any rallies that come along in the market. The support on the downside is about 10,650 odd levels, while resistance at about 10,930 odd levels. There isn't much to do on the global and the local indicators, so we would recommend you to trade this market with extreme caution. So that's our outlook for this week on the Indian markets. In terms of our stock recommendations, we have a buy recommendation on Balrampur Chini. Balrampur Chini is going significantly strong over the last few days, over the past 5-6 days, while the markets have been down. So we have a target price of about 124 odd levels, with the stop loss at about 109 odd levels, which is significant upside about 5%. There's a strong bullish candlestick pattern for the stock, and the RSI is also upwards at about 65 odd levels. The other recommendation is Nalco, which is a sell recommendation. We have a target price about 46 odd levels with a stop loss at 51. It has broken down a significant, it has reached a significant support of 50 odd levels, and it's going towards its 52-week low of about 46 odd levels. So that signals a gain of about 4%. So we would recommend you to sell the stock. The other recommendation is Cummins India. We have a sell recommendation on the stock. The target price is 680 odd levels with a support at about 730 odd levels. 730 is a significant support which it has broken down, and it has gone down from its 200-day moving average as well. There's significant negative divergence on the stock, and RSI is also going down to about 41 odd levels. So that's our recommendation for this week. Thank you.